हेलो एभ्रिवान नमस्कार। आज चाहिँ स्याटरडे
Yes. Where we are going?
Beach.
Oh my. There is Mitsubishi Prado also, right? No, there is too much.
Hi, my baby Avia. Do you like it?
You guys having fun in here?
हेलो एभ्रिवान नमस्कार। आज चाहिँ स्याटरडेको दिन है। अब आज चाहिँ हामी चाहिँ बाहिर बिचतिर जाँदैछौँ। आज मेरो छोरी म मेरो वाइफ अनि यहाँ हाम्रो रेन्टमा बस्ने नेबरहरू जाँदैछ है। हामी चाहिँ सबैजना आज स्याटरडे हामी जाने चाहिँ आज मब्जार बिच हो है। मब्जार बिच जाँदैछौँ हामी। गाइज आर यु एक्साइटेड टु गो बिच? यस। मोहम्मद tell me something like you like Dubai or it is better in Iraq?
Dubai is much better. I like it.
हामी चाहिँ हो यो टोलीसँग जाँदैछौँ। Oh handsome guys. Oh my god, both you are wearing glasses, right? So the small one, he is going to give me a competition today in swimming. So who is he?
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
We're ready. Where we are going?
Beach.
Oh my God, these two guys are so excited, huh?
I told you have to say seaside, okay?
Seaside.
Beach in English.
Yes,
So-
I don't want a problem.
So, Yusuf,
Yes.
what you are going to do in bridge?
Seaside.
Seaside is much better. I'm gonna swim.
Okay. So, straight to the bridge, right?
Yes.
What
Okay.
is your favorite food?
Oh my God! Don't ask me about food.
Why?
I love every food. Every.
Country?
Country, every food
Yes.
he love.
Yes.
Some
But
people
should be meat.
No, there is too much traffic, guys. Right?
just today
For the most.
Chinese car,
Okay. So you have the Prado, right? Mitsubishi Prado.
not Mitsubishi.
Which one then?
Toyota.
Toyota Prado.
Yes,
Ah,
Prado.
okay. There is Mitsubishi Prado also, right?
Yes, too much Prado, too much. Because Prado is very what I should to say. It's very nice for going through this desert, you know.
Ah. So this is the one, right?
Yes, this is Karabaraki. It's inside here. Yes.
Nice.
It's near to this place.
Yes, beta.
Mini Cooper.
Yes.
Now it became big, and you have to call it Big Cooper. Big.
In Sharjah, there's too much mosque, you know.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, we're going to petrol pump. After petrol pump, we will directly head to where is you know here in Momjar, yeah, no need now. In Momjar, after 10, this all park is closed. Yes. ल हामीले चाहिँ यहाँ पार्क गरिसक्यौँ गाइस हैन. We already park our car here and then these guys are carrying their bags. Okay. And this is the view, guys. See the views. Oh my god. I love this place. Wow.
गाइस धेरै छिए हामी चाहिँ भित्र जाँदैछौँ इन्ट्री गरिसक्यौँ लु भएन Hi my baby Avia. Do you like
See now his face. Oh my god. Muhammad,
Say something. Muhammad.
say something.
Say something, brother.
Hey, it's okay.
Silence.
I have socks.
Hi Avia. Hi Avia. You want to swim?
गाइस अब चाहिँ हामी सुरु गर्दैछौँ यहाँनिर. आउँदो रहेछ
मलाई थाहा छैन नि त फर्स्ट टाइम हो नि त दिस इज माई बेबी एक्सप्रेसन
इट्स ओके त्यो साउन्ड यसलाई मन परेन कि एक्चुअली यु डोन्ट लाइक द साउन्ड
मेरो छोरी त हजुरआमा गोता गएपछि
Swimming is great!
What? Mama! He is right.
Yes!
How was it? It is very tasty, no?
No, it tastes like
Just like tea.
Hi Avia. Hello. Hey. Hey. Hello. You want to come? You want to come? Come.
हामीले चाहिँ नुहाइ पनि सक्यौँ गाइस है नुहाएर अहिले चाहिँ अब हामी यता पार्कतिर जाँदैछौँ पार्कतिर चाहिँ अब नानीहरूले नयाँ नयाँ नानीहरू आएको छ नि त उनीहरूले अब खासै देखेको छैन यहाँको पार्क अनि त्यो पार्कहरू घुमाउनु जान्छौँ उनीहरू चाहिँ अब यहाँनिर लुगा चेन्जहरू ड्रेस चेन्जहरू गर्दैछ अनि ड्रेस चेन्जहरू गरिसक्यो अब एउटा मोहम्मद आउनु बाँकी छ मोहम्मद आएपछि हामीहरू सिधै यहाँबाट निस्किन्छौँ मोहम्मद you okay? Okay.
Alright guys, so now we're going to the park to play on the slides. This is everyone right here. And baby Avia is right over here. Baby Avia!
Here, barbecue is until like 10 p.m. After 10 p.m., this park will close actually.
Everyone have to go.
Yes. This is the rules of the park. Yes. Yeah. How do you know? Yeah, we know our language, no? Yes.
This is super nice. If there was watch over there, it would be so cool. We're going to sit here, have a break, then we're going to continue. Have this nice. Avia is having fun in here. The popcorn and Avia will be the first to try. Give to Avia, let's see. Eat Avia. She ate?
Yeah.
Say mama.
Can you say hi? Hello. Say hi. Can you say mama?
सो गाइज फाइनल्ली हामी चाहिँ ब्याक टु होम भइसक्यौँ होइन एकदम रमाइलो भयो बिचमा त्यही हो अब अलिक टायर्ड भइयो अनि अब पानीमा खेलेपछि त्यही त हो सबैजना होइन अब भिडियो एडिट गर्नु छ भिडियो एडिट गरिसकेर त्यही हो माया देखाइदिँदै गर्नु होला सबैजनाले होइन अनि यस्तै यस्तै भ्लगहरू हाल्दै जाँदैछु प्लिज कमेन्ट गर्नु होला कहाँ कहाँ जानुपर्छ तपाईँहरूलाई के हेर्नु मन छ इभन सबैजनाले दुबईमा आउनु पाएको छैन अनि यही भिडियो मार्फत पनि म देखाइदिन सक्छु होइन त्यही हो माया गरिदिनु होला सबैजनाले सो